In this video, I want to show you how to draw a piano keyboard. This can be helpful when you're taking theory exams so that you can use a piano when you don't have one in front of you. So here is how I draw a piano keyboard. I go down, over, up, little space, down, over, up, big space, down, over, up, little space, down, over, up, little space, down, over, up, big space, down, over, up, little space, down, over, up, and I can continue that pattern as much as I want. Then to the left of my group of two black notes, I draw a big line, short line in the middle of the key, short line in the middle of the key, and a big line. And if you don't make the sound, it doesn't count. Middle of the black key. And there I have a piano. So if I'm doing something like, if I have to come up with a five finger pattern or a major scale, I could say, okay, I know my five finger pattern is first note, whole step, half step, whole step. And if I'm given the note E flat is my first note, whole step is F, whole step is G, half step is A flat, whole step is B flat. If I am asked to write, now it doesn't want to let me erase. If I'm asked to write a major scale, I know that my formula is first note, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. So if I'm given the key of C sharp major, that's my first note, whole step, and I'm going to get C sharp, whole step, I'm going to get E sharp, half step, I'm going to get F sharp, whole step, I'm going to get G sharp, whole step, I'm going to get A sharp, whole step, I'm going to get B sharp, half step, I'm going to get C sharp. So I can use my keyboard to help me get the right answer and make sure I am going the right distance on the keyboard. Hope that helps.